This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about delivery bags, specifically these Delivery Tech red pizza bags. We have the 20 by 17.5 by 7.5 bag here, and this unit holds 3 18-inch pizza boxes or 4 16-inch ones. And there's actually a variety of different sizes as well. There's a 19 by 19 by 23 that can hold up to 10 18-inch boxes, a 16.5 by 18 by 6.5 that can hold 2 16-inch or 3 14-inch boxes, a 20 3/4 by 21 3/4 by 6.5 that can hold 2 20-inch or 3 18-inch boxes, and a 19.5 by 19.5 by 12.5 that can hold 5 18-inch or 6 16-inch boxes. So no matter your delivery needs or the size of your average orders, there's a really nice selection of these bags to really suit your needs. They're insulated and all feature a polyester lining that's easy to wipe down, that has a PET insulation. So they've got a really good insulation in there to really keep those pizzas warm and perfectly hot when they get to your customers. They feature a great clear window here that's really large, which is fantastic. It's easy to put menus, receipts, or business cards down in there so that your drivers have them on hand to hand out to your customers and help pass them out when they're out on deliveries. It features this great extra large flap that has a really nice Velcro strip on the bag, so you can pull it as tight as you need to. So a lot of these will fit multiple size boxes, and that allows you to get a much more secure fit and really keep things in place so that they're nice and secure during transport. They feature heavy-duty stitching along these seams, and they've also got these really nice, super strong straps that, as you can see, are sewn and reinforced all the way down into the sides and into that bottom seam for a nice kind of strong carrying experience, right? It's going to really stand up to some wear and tear. And I love that it also has that little unit there in the middle to allow you to join those straps together, and it gives you a nice, easy grip when you're carrying, which is great, especially for heavy orders that are going to have a lot of boxes in them. So this is going to be a great durable, tear-resistant unit that's going to give you long-lasting use. They can be hand washed or wiped down in between uses, or when they get really messy, they can even be machine washed for easy cleanup when needed. So these are perfect for pizza shops and parlors, or for delivery runs of any business that's looking to send out hot, fresh food.